In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams in a few simple steps. Whether you're managing projects or coordinating tasks, this integration will streamline your workflow and improve team communication. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First things first, you'll want to select the board you wish to integrate with Microsoft Teams from your Monday.com dashboard. Your board is essentially the hub of all your project activities, and by integrating it with Teams, you ensure seamless communication between both platforms. Now, with your chosen board open, look at the top of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled Integrate. Clicking on this button will take you directly to the Automations window. This is where all the magic happens, as it offers a variety of options to connect Monday.com to other tools and apps, including Microsoft Teams. Once you're on the Automations page, you'll see a search bar. Simply type Microsoft Teams into this search bar and wait for the results to appear. When Microsoft Teams comes up in the search results, go ahead and select it. This action will bring up a variety of predefined templates that illustrate different ways you can establish a connection between your Monday board and Microsoft Teams. These templates are incredibly helpful as they provide an overview of what each integration accomplishes. Take a moment to browse through them and find one that best fits your needs. After you've selected a suitable template, click on the Connect button. This step will redirect you to a page where you'll be asked to log in and grant access to your Microsoft Teams account. This ensures that Monday.com can communicate with Microsoft Teams securely and efficiently. Once you've successfully logged in and given the necessary permissions, you're mostly there. The final step is configuring the integration based on the template you've chosen. This usually involves selecting certain options, like choosing which column will trigger a notification in Teams. For example, you might configure it so that whenever a task's status changes to Done, a notification pops up on the designated Teams channel. And just like that, you've integrated Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. This integration will help your team stay updated without having to switch between platforms constantly. All your necessary notifications will now come directly to your teams, making collaboration smoother and more efficient. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your integration, bringing together the best of both platforms. I hope this tutorial was helpful and makes your project management a little more seamless. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.